Welcome to Math GPT. In this chemistry video, we'll walk through the steps needed to balance a chemical equation. Specifically, we'll look at the equation F2 plus H2O equals of 2 plus HF. Let's start with our unbalanced equation and list the elements involved: fluorine, hydrogen, and oxygen. In the first step, we count the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. Let's start with fluorine. Next, count hydrogen. Finally, count oxygen. Let's proceed to balance the elements. We see we have 2 fluorine atoms on the left side and 3 on the right. The simplest way to balance them is by adjusting the coefficient of HF on the right to 2, which gives us 4F atoms on the right side. Next, let's balance hydrogen. On the left, we have 2 hydrogen atoms from H2O. On the right, the HF now contributes 2 hydrogens. So, the hydrogens are balanced. Finally, let's revisit fluorine. Now we have 4 fluorine atoms on the right, but only 2 on the left. We can achieve balance by putting a 2 in front of F2 on the left side. Now, let's reevaluate to check our work. We have balanced numbers of all elements on both sides of the equation. With the coefficients added, our balanced chemical equation is now clear. Perfect! This is our balanced chemical equation. 2F2 plus H2O equals of 2 plus 2HF. In conclusion, balancing a chemical equation requires that we account for all atoms on both sides, ensuring they remain in equal quantity. Remember, the law of conservation of mass mandates that matter cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. This step-by-step approach makes sure that our equation honors this fundamental law of nature.